What's up, YouTube? I'm back and I'm going to review more martial arts gear. In this video, I'm going to review the Hayabusa T3 Kanpeki headgear. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my Hayabusa boxing glove review as well as the Hayabusa shin guard review. By now you've probably guessed that I really like Hayabusa, and you'd be right. I started with the boxing gloves, liked them so much, I upgraded, and now I'm going for broke, and I've upgraded again. So once again, as with the boxing gloves and the shin guards, this headgear comes from the same series, the Kanpeki series, which means that it's made of that beautiful 100% full grain leather. The vintage look just makes me drool. I dig it. Looks aside, the main reason I went with this Hayabusa headgear is because of its slim profile. Big bulky headgear can actually turn your head into a fulcrum, and so when you get punched or kicked, that produces more torque on your head and on your neck and is very bad for your health. It can actually make blows worse. So you get hit and a big mushroom helmet goes, to one side or another, and it's not good for you. So while it's a good idea to wear head protection when you're sparring, you have to be very careful about the type of head protection that you put on, because like I said, if you look like a big mushroom, you're not doing yourself any favors. This headgear's low profile was hands down the #1 reason that I chose to get this versus another brand. On the back of the headgear, you'll see a very unique closure system. I believe Hayabusa refers to this as the T-cross closure or something to that effect. And all you really need to know is that it's very easy to get in and out of, even if you're wearing big bulky gloves. And then the headgear stays on your face very securely. Moving on, the headgear is made out of a very special foam that absorbs impact. So just like the shin guards, the foam is very impact resistant. In addition to absorbing the blows, the foam complex also helps dissipate the force. So, if you get punched in the side of the face, the foam will actually disperse the blow to the rest of the helmet, which will also feel slightly better. Nobody likes to get punched in the face, but when you do get punched in the face in this helmet, it'll just feel a little sweeter. Finally, another great feature of this helmet is that it boasts an antimicrobial lining, which prevents bacteria from festering inside of it. This means that your Spartan helmet won't stink, or at the very least it'll stink less, and it also means that you won't get a gnarly skin rash post-training. There you have it. Thanks for watching.